track.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna-monroee, and if this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. So today's look is going to be a hot smoky eye. I'm going to be doing a detailed makeup look on how to achieve that look. I remember when I started doing my makeup for the first time, that look was the look I was so much in love with. So if you still want to see how I achieved that look, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Share, comment. Thank you, guys. So I'm just going to be laying my hair first of all, and we'll jump right into the video. So guys, already prepped and primed my face, and do not pay attention to me, guys. I used the Melanie Mills Clean Body Radiance, and right now I'm just using my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation, and my shade is Mocha, guys. I actually really need help with that. I have no idea if it is Mocha or Mocha, but hey, I'm going with Mocha. Guys, trust me, this foundation is absolutely bomb, and I used the primer I came along with. It's really great. It's long lasting. It stays in all day, guys, and trust me, I use just a pump, and I'm just using my buffing brush to blend that foundation right in. It's the Zaron foundation brush, and I'm just doing the usual and buffing that product right into my skin. And then I'm using this beauty sponge. I got this beauty sponge from Glam by Beauty J. It's a Nigerian brand, and they sell every type of makeup here, every type of makeup you can think of. So I'm just using that to blend and press the foundation so it sits in well. I think I caught the shaku bug, guys. So yeah, that's just what's happening right here. And next I'm going in with the Hegai Pro Conceal. I use the shade Fawn, and I go over it with Cool Tan just to highlight the high points of my face, my T-zones, just everywhere. I actually need the light to bounce right on my face and give me that highlight. So yes, I just topped it up. I'm just topping it up with the same Hegai Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, just to lighten it up a bit, because the Fawn is just a little bit close to my skin tone. So I'm just placing that over again, and I'm using the same beauty sponge to blend all that product right into my face. So guys, it's just so much blending. Just keep blending, guys, till you feel like the product is sitting in and looks way close and great to your skin tone. So next I'm using the Sacha Buttercup. Yes guys, I got a refill of my Sacha Buttercup powder. The last time it was way out, I was out of it. So I'm just using that powder to set all the areas I have presently highlighted. My jaw, my T-zones, right under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, just the same thing, guys. I'm just literally doing the highlight process. So guys, I went on I changed from the voiceover and went straight to really talking about my eyeshadows, guys. So right before that, I just drew my brows. I used the Macbrook pencil to draw my brows. Yeah, and I topped it up with the Hegai and Esther brow pomade. I'm going to leave every product I have used in the description box. I'm really sorry I'm fluffing, guys. Just for a little second, I'm thinking about the products I'm using, and the next minute I'm saying something else. So I'm going to go straight to my eyeshadows soon, and I will give detailed explanation on everything I used. So for my eyebrows, I used the same LA Girl Pro Conceal to highlight underneath my brows, and I used the shade Fawn, and I'll be going right over that just in a minute. So I'm just cleaning off my brows with the flat brush. This flat brush is from Mod. It's the same flat brush I use always. It's awesome. It's great. It just gives you that precise and clean way to clean up your brows, underneath your brows. And I'm just bringing the left products all the way down, guys. I told you I caught the shaku bug, right? Don't even pay attention to me. Into my eyes with this Jaclyn Hill palette. If you know me, you know I'm totally in love with this palette. So I'll be showing you guys the colors I'll be grading from my transition color all the way down to the eyes, to the smoky eyes, guys. So yeah, I'll be playing around this color. So I'll be going in with this orangey color first of all, just to give me a really nice transition color. And right after that, I'll be going in with this. This is almost close to the color of my skin, and then I'll be moving in with this color. And after that, I'll be going in with the black color finally. So those are the colors I'll be going in with. The Jaclyn Hill palette doesn't have names attached to it. This is just how it looks. This is it. So yeah, like I said, I'll be starting with the orangey color for my transition color, and then I'll be going down to this eyeshadow color that looks close to my skin. I'm sorry, guys. And I'll go in with this brown color, and finally I'll go with the black. So guys, I'm going in with the first transition color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Like I always said, this is the only palette I actually use. I love this palette. It has every color I actually move around with. So I'm just using a blending brush. It's a fluffy blending brush to blend that product right in. And then next, I'm going in with the next transition color. I have no idea what I'll call that color. It's like a burnt brown or something, and I'm topping it over the first shade I used right on top of my crease, and I am blending it. This is a smoky eyes, guys, so I'm just trying to blend all the way well. And I'm going in with a darker brown from that same palette, and I'm just putting that on my outer V. I'm bringing it all the way right into the inner corners of my eyes. I'm blending all that product in. And next, I use the Inglot Jet Black Liner just to top on the lid, to give my smoky eye a more defined and darker look. So I'm just blending that gel liner on my eyelids. And after that, I will just be taking the darkest shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the black shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm blending and putting that product right on top of my lid where I applied the jet black Inglot liner in 77. And I'm just using my blending brush and buffing everything in just so it doesn't have a harsh line. Buffing the black product all the way into my eyes properly. Guys, hopefully, I'm so sorry, I will get notifications when my camera actually goes off. It really happens at this time, like, because it's programmed. So I did my lashes and my eyeliner off camera, and I used that Maybelline powder to clean up the excess on my face. And I'm going in with this Tartiest palette just to use the contour color to contour the hollows of my cheek. I'm using every brush I use is from Zaron, and just a few are other products, but I always mention and leave the products in the description box. So I'm just contouring the sides of my cheeks, the hollows of my cheeks, and I'm spraying this e.l.f. mist and set spray all over my face, guys. Yes, I like to drown in setting spray, guys. Yes, please. So I'm just waiting for that to dry off, and I apply my highlighter. This is Ruby Kisses All Over Glow. This is my fave highlighter. I'm sure you know the effect of how it feels when you apply the highlighter, guys. That is what was going on with me right there. So I'm just applying that on every place I would love to highlight, and let the light hit and bounce back and give me that popping glow, guys. Next, I'm using my Zaron lip liner in Cappuccino to line my lips. This is my favorite lip liner, and I'm going over that with the Yanga Beauty lip liner in Bear. That's what I'm going over with right now. So guys, this is about the finished look, and I did a few things off camera, like my mascara and highlighting my inner tear duct. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll be going back to the live settings of this. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and turn on your post notifications so you can get updates whenever I post new guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.